All right, so we're about to go over how to set up your Instagram business profile. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so it shows you how to switch from your personal to your business. And on top of that, we're going to give you some business tips that you can use for your business, like the bio link, what you want to put in the description, stuff you want to post, simple stuff like that, that you can walk away with today and be like, people want to like my profile, people want to message me, people want to engage. All right, let's get on the phone so we can start right now. All right, so this is going to be a real quick tutorial just to learn how to switch from a personal profile to a business profile on Instagram. Now, I will also, like I said, give you some tips. So let's start with my personal profile right here, which is not a business. Now, I'll come back to this later and discuss it because I actually want to tell you some things that I learned and what I failed at so you can learn from my mistakes. So what you'll do here is you'll hit the three bars up top on the right, go down to the settings. At the bottom, you'll see right here the add business account. So you can either create a new account for your business or you can convert your existing one to a business account, which means you'll get your insights, you'll get promotions, and then your business profile. But I will say, when you switch to a business profile, I've looked into it a little bit. You might not get seen as much, like they said, in the search engines as opposed to a personal profile. But personally, it does not outweigh the benefits of a business just because seeing the analytics is really crucial because it lets you know how your posts are doing and what kind of engagement you're getting. And on a personal profile, you can't see this, but I'll discuss more of that later. So when you convert, you just come here, you'll hit convert. If you want to create, you create. What you'll do is you'll pick your categories next. So are you a local business, a musician, beauty, blogger? I'll just put blogger for an example. Then you'll have your contact information. Make sure your business email is correct and your phone number. I'm going to blur that out. Then next, which will switch to your account, but I'm going to hit cancel because I am not going to switch to a personal account. So once you do switch to a personal account, it will look like this. So you'll have all your stuff pop up and you want to edit your profile. When you edit your profile, right here's your name. So you can put your name, or you can put your business. I've seen people put a personal coach. I've seen people put business coach. For a while, I tried putting business coach. I didn't really like how it looked, so I went back to my name and I put just business coach in my bio section. But see what works for your business. With the links, with the bio link, you can only put one link in there, and I will talk more about that in a little bit. Over here in your bio section, you'll want to discuss and let people know exactly what it is that you do. That way when people land on your profile, they have a reason to follow you or get in contact with you. Down here, you can see the page, which is really cool because you can connect to your fan page. Now, if you are not quite sure about how to promote your business on a fan page, I actually made a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description for you as well. Now over here is where you'll put the category, which is what we did earlier on that step where it was pick the categories, and I just put personal blog on mine, but I put business consultant because that is what my category is for the business. For my contact, I put my email as well, and this is the private information below, which you don't need to worry about because the public won't see that. So now that you've set up your business account, entered all your information because you want a nice appealing layout. Oh, I will say one little tip on the photo I just learned too is maybe put a background on it that makes it pop. If you look at my other photos, I don't have a turquoise background on. My personal business one, I put a little turquoise background to make it pop. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think it catches someone's attention? Do you think you would click on it because of it? Or is just a regular picture? Okay. So let's go forward, and I'm going to talk now a little bit about the other thing that you get is the analytics. So the analytics is crucial, which is right here where you can access it, and you'll be able to see all your insights that you can get from your post, from your stories. I don't promote, I do everything organically. And here you can see what days are, doing great for promotion, what days you should be posting, the interaction you're getting, impression. Now, of course, if you're like, okay, well, I really don't know what all this means. I would like some information. Let's see, where was it? It was, let's see, oh, right here. So if you go over to your post, so as you can see, I didn't post this week, so it's not going to be up. So that's something you should not be doing. You should be doing definitely weekly. But if you see here, understanding your insights, it actually highlights everything what it is, so you understand exactly what your insights are. Now, if you go back, now this is what I wanted to talk to you about, is when you have a business and you're just starting out and you don't have any pictures, I would put at least 12 on there, just because it fills up the whole profile and it looks like you're engaging. And also, I will say, if you are thinking about buying people, now this, I'll go back to my old one. When I first started the business, I thought it was really important to buy followers. I thought having that look would make it more appealing to people. Of course, that's not the case, especially if you have that amount of followers, but you only get so many likes and comments. Yeah, sure, maybe I got 8 comments and 28 likes, but that really doesn't mean anything. 19 likes, 2 comments, that doesn't mean anything if I have 6,000 followers. But if I have quality people that like it and follow it, that's all that matters, especially since you're a small business. Now, if you're a major company looking at this, this necessarily isn't for you. But if you're a small business who promotes, health and beauty products, fitness, affiliate marketing, this type of information is for you, because buying followers is not targeted. They're just bots. So by you doing that, it just looks like you have fake accounts, or it just looks like people aren't engaging with your stuff, which isn't the case because they're fake accounts. So if you actually have quality followers that decide to follow you because they love your information, they want more information from you, that's how you build a quality followers. I will say it's not overnight, it doesn't happen instantly, but it's about the consistency and doing it all the time. Because when I did it in the past, you can see I've been doing this for a while, I actually dove off. I was very consistent, posting every day, even 2-3 times a day, and I got burnt out. I got super tired from it just because I didn't have a plan, and that wasn't really what I could do, because I actually at the time was working at, as a bartender, and that it just wasn't working during the day. I would be burnt out. My posts wouldn't be 100% perfect, or not perfect, but nothing has to be perfect, but it wouldn't be quality. So make sure it's quality, whatever it is. So that was just a little point I wanted to make on the followers. So like I said earlier, I'll talk about the bio link. You can only have one bio link in Instagram, and you can't actually have clickable links in the comment section. So that's why it's nice. I used to use this thing called Linktree that you could put multiple links, but now I actually create my own on my website, and I show team members and people who work with me how to do this as well. And you can create your own custom links to multiple things, so you don't have to just have one link. So that's a special perk and thing that you can know about doing. So when bio links, think about that, and think about also doing something and linking it to something that educates your visitor as opposed to just selling them, because they might not buy right off the bat, and you don't want them to go do research on their own without you maybe capturing their email or getting their information first. So that's just something that you want to keep in mind. Well, with that being said, that is all I wanted to show you on setting up and switching from a personal to a business, and tips on setting up your business profile. Now make sure you like this video and share this with people who could use this information. And if you need more information about promoting your business, go watch the the video I did giving you 8 ways to promote on Instagram, which will help you as well. All right, now that we covered how to switch from your personal to your business and the stuff you want to put on your profile to make it engaging for your audience, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any other videos about Instagram, since this channel is dedicated to everything about Instagram. And if you don't know, my name is Christina Spohr, and I love helping small business owners, affiliate marketers build their business online using simple tricks and tools. That's why I've just made this Instagram account just for Instagram, because if you just want to use Instagram, then this is the place to be. All right, so I will see you in the next video, which I had in my head what we were going to be doing, but I'd have to look at my calendar. we will be doing how to create Instagram stories. We'll be going over simple stuff like that and how you can make it more interesting and pop and stuff like that. Make sure you like this video and comment below if you have any questions or anything you want to ask about Instagram. I would love to answer or make a video for you on it. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. And with that being said, if you want more things on Instagram, make sure to check out the Instagram blueprint that I created for you. You can just enter your name and email and get it for free. All right, so I will be seeing you in next week's video.